Michelle, congratulations. Another year of strong revenue growth. Would you like to give the Investor News audience an update?
Of course, and thank you for having me on this morning. For 2023, $35 million in revenue, which is up from 14.8 last year. A $17 million growth, that's 96% growth. So excellent performance year over year. Our gross profit is up to $6.8 million from 2.8. That's a $4 million increase, or 143% increase year over year. So again, gross good performance overall, and our gross margin has gone up by 24%, which is excellent in the process. Understanding a difficult economy, clients cutting budgets in the areas that we are. So the team really worked hard and smart at delivering the numbers this year.
Well, speaking of that, I know I spoke to our team and our group of advisors. I said this company described their success in that particular news release as having a robust and profitable business model. So would you mind sharing with us what that, business model is, please?
Well, the philosophy we have, or the vision, is be the best at what you do, never lose focus, be client-centric, be a leader, be relevant, and provide value. So we are addressing both health and leverage KPIs to provide returns. This enables us to properly price our products and services. We also minimize overhead costs or expenses, and we invest in tomorrow. So all these initiatives working together do create a unique selling propositions that benefits the business.
Well, of course, I'm certain some of you may be going, are we actually relevant? So I'm going to have you define what you mean by a company being relevant. And I just want to reinforce that basically Ciscom focuses on investing, acquiring, and managing companies in the ICT sector. So if you wouldn't mind taking that a few steps further and explaining it to us, please.
I was referring more to our operating subsidiaries when we say relevant, because we live with the revenue of our subsidiary companies. So we need to stay relevant to our clients or our subsidiaries' clients with the right products, the right offering year over year. When it comes to Ciscom, when relevancy is attached to shareholder return and our ability to close acquisitions and frankly, yield as much as possible from current owned investment.
I think in a news release that I was reviewing over the holidays, you were talking about working on a third acquisition. Can you tell us what's going on with that?
I would love to. I just can't. We're always in discussions with a number of potential acquisitions. That's our mandate. Our goal is to close 1 or 2 acquisitions a year. So we just became public with 2 acquisitions. We're now looking at doing another one for 2024. But we won't do that at any cost. They have to be the right strategic fit. We're very discerning in our approach. We adhere to our stringent criteria. Closing the right acquisition is paramount. We do a lot of due diligence, and we want to make sure that it is accretive to Ciscom day one and 5 years from now.
You seem to be very good at bringing teams together and managing them. And you recently announced an additional member of management. Would you like to tell us more about that?
Yeah, Sherry Rogers is joining P&G as EVP Managing Director. She has a superb reputation in the market, esteemed or respected by her peers. All the staff or the team is very excited of having her joining us. She has a broad mandate as EVP MD, looking at further enhancing our products, efficiencies throughout the business or processes, and also new business. So client working with clients and accounts to grow that. So it is a key asset as a person joining us in our continued growth.
So, what should we expect in Q1 for 2024?
Well, the business is cyclical in the sense that because at this point, the client base of our subsidiaries is mainly retailers at this point in time. So you can appreciate that September forward, this is where most of the income comes from the subsidiaries' point of view. So what we're doing is we're looking at how our products and services better fit or continue to evolve to service our clients and their changing needs. So we usually take the first quarter or two to work with our clients to stay relevant at their level. From a Ciscom point of view, our mandate is acquisitions, so we need to be looking at our third acquisition and capital raise to help with the closing.
I could not be more excited by your ongoing success. Michel, thank you so much for this update. And for more information on Ciscom, please go to their website. Thank you.
Thank you, Tracy. Have a great day.